Hey, what's up everyone? It's Anthony from S2K and the Ant, and today I'm going to be installing JDM rain guards on my Lexus LS430. So these are the OEM Toyota rain guards for the 2001 to 2006 Lexus LS430. This is what my car looks like. Pretty sure you guys are familiar with it. So yeah, these are an optional part from Toyota Japan. So they don't offer this in the US. Lexus never offered this with their cars as an accessory. And basically when you get it, you have the full set of rain guards. You get instructions. You get some clips and these like rivets and receivers to keep it all in place. And of course it's all in Japanese since this is from Japan. Cool. I actually sell these in my store. The link will be below. So let's get started on installing this onto the Lexus here. So first thing what you have to do is you have to wipe down this contact area with a rag, preferably with like alcohol or something, to prep the surface. And then if you reference the Japanese manual, it's a little bit difficult since this is in Japanese. You'll notice that there are short clips and long clips. Basically there should be about 2 long clips and about 4 short clips. The long clips, one goes up here and the short one goes back here, and in the rear there are 2. Alright, so the easiest way I found to install these clip things is that you just loosen the weather strip with a weather seal away from this chrome trim, and then right here you can see that it clips onto something, and basically just push it against this chrome piece here, and then it will pop on. There we go, you hear that? And then just install the weather strip over it, and then, oh yeah, it's pretty tight, and then you just move it into place depending on where the hole is. So here is the window visor with the sticker still on it, and it needs to be moved over like a lot, like right here, maybe more, there. So that's how you do it. Do the same thing for the front. Okay, that's one. There you can see I have the front one installed, and then the trim, all the weather sealing, is pushed back in this place. So then once you have your these clips in place, be sure to wipe off the surface again with some like alcohol or something just to clean up that mating surface. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the rivet thing and the receiver, and basically you're going to put this behind this clip and install the window visor on top of it, and then push in the rivet into it. It's called a rivet, that's what it's called in Japanese, I don't know what it is in English, but yeah, and then that's how you secure it down, and then after that you tape it into place and you'll be done. Okay, so now it is firmly taped down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get that rubber thing and that bolts, and I'm just gonna secure it into place here. There we go. And that is it. That's how you install it for the front. The rear, let's see here, the rear is pretty much the same. Just use the short receiver clip things. And then that should be it with that. So here you can see what I did here. Focus. Okay, so here you can see what I did here. Here's that it's called the rivet, and then behind here is the rubber piece under that clip thing I installed. So you put that rubber piece in here, and you push in that rivet. Here's what I'm talking about. So the rubber piece here sits behind here. Okay, so here is like what I'm talking about. So this rubber piece here, it sits behind here like that, and then this thing here pushes through here and clamps the door visor with this whole assembly. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna attack the rear now. I'm gonna give this a good clean. Right here too. It's nice once you like tape these down, you can actually move these over a little bit if they are off, and then clip them in place like that. And that's it installed on the rear. Alright, and that is the completed product here. Looks really good. One of my favorite things about these particular window visors compared to like your cheapo like eBay ones is that these have like a chrome trim, and the chrome trim perfectly matches the chrome trim that's already on the car, so it looks really good, really factory, because it is factory, it's Toyota. And basically that's it. Basically just install those clip things, tape on the window visor, and then clip in the receiver rivet things. They call them rivets. I don't know why they call them rivets, but yeah, clip them in to hold it in place, and that's it. So cool. And if you like these, I actually sell these in my store, which I have a link below. And if you want to see more stuff with my LS430, yeah, give me a subscribe. And hope you like the video. Comment what else you want to see with this car. I do repairs, I do all sorts of things. So yeah, cool. Peace out. See you next time.